Hello everybody! This video corresponds to GIS Lesson 2. The PDF file of this lesson describing the steps we're going to take, step by step, how to make our first map, it's available on Canvas. Okay, so I'm assuming you read Lesson 1 and you already logged in. We are going to log into the baoartgis.com. The page looks like that. And we are going to create a new project here. So we are going to go to Get Started Now. Then it's going to go to Projects here. We're going to create a new project. And we are going to call this Lesson 2. So it may take a while, but here it is. Your project Lesson 2 has been created. And you just open the project here. You have step-by-step guided tours. I'm going to skip those for now. And you can see this tab here, Lesson 2. That's where you are going to keep going back to review your previous work. I will get back to that later. Now that you created our new project, we're going to go and define the area for your report. So you come over here. I'm going to select a geography. I'm going to search and you're going to type the region you're doing your report. It can be a state, it can be a county, it can be a zip code. And there you go. Murray, Kentucky. Next, and then when you put the cursor on top of it, you're gonna have some options here. What I'm gonna do is change the options here just to make it different. Let's see. Okay, there you go. Now, if you happen to zoom some other place, you can always come back here to Geographies, My Geography, zoom to the layer. Okay. Also, if you want to change the name of the layer, you can rename the item here. Anyway, now that we chose our geography, we are going to create a color-coded map. So you go to Create Maps from the data, color-coded maps. There's going to be an option here for income. We're going to choose income per capita by block group. Once you chose income per capita, this screen is going to appear. First of all, instead of current map extent, we're just going to do Murray City. You can see that now I have a color code for each block group. That's already the option. It could be states, congressional district, etc. But I want it by block group anyway. So I have only information here for the block groups that overlap with Murray, Kentucky. I am going to change some options here. For that, you can go, for instance, to Style. Let's go to More Options. Here we go to Colors. I'm going to pick a different color here. You can also change the border. I'm not going to do that. I want everybody to see the main places, and I want everybody to see on the map where the roads are. So I'm going to pick these two options. There's going to be a legend later, but the darker the color, the higher the 2018 per capita income. For instance, here in this darker blue is 46,000. Here is only 21,000. So I can close that now. And yeah, it's looking more or less like I want. What if you have to close your map and come back to it again? Now that can be frustrating. So let's say, for instance, I have to close it and I have to come back to it later. Well, when you log in again, you can go, your project will be over here. But when you open, it seems like your project disappeared. Okay? It hasn't disappeared yet. What you can do is go to my geographies here and zoom to layer. So I'm back to the layer. And then you come here where it says income per capita and open the map. And then you're going to have to choose your options again. So see, it's not that your information disappeared, but basically you're going to have to select all your options again. That's all. I like grayish background, so I can come here near my base maps, light gray. And then finally, I can go to step 6, create a PDF file of the map. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to zip a little bit less so I can see the whole city. And then you can look here for the link with the PDF symbol. There you go. You can name your map Lesson 2. You can change the subtitle as you want. Here it shows more or less how the map is going to look, so you can centralize it. Here you can choose the position of the legend, and there you go, create PDF. Now this tells that your PDF was created. So if you want to look it, you can go here to Lesson 2, previously run reports, Lesson 2. So that's how your map looks like. Here's the legend, here's the title, here's the map, and you can print it. In the PDF file that is available on Canvas corresponding to that lesson, there is a link to a video where they also demonstrate how to get started. Okay, thanks for listening.